What's up, Fit Squad? This is Brad, aka 250, coming to you with another quick video. And today, we actually got some good news and we have some bad news. The good news is my bumper, the carbon fiber one, is going to be shipping at the end of this week or early next week. So that's the good news. Bad news is it's early next week or the end of this week, and I still have to deal with the current bumper. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I'm talking about dealing with this bumper. Alright, so I have the car covered because I am by a construction zone. So I do want to show you guys what I mean here. Just waiting for some neighbors to walk by. Well, most of these houses are finishing up, but still get a lot of dirt from over this way. Definitely blows over this way. So anytime the car is not covered, it's all over the car. Alright, so the bumper isn't horrible or anything like that. Still having some issues with the side fitment. It's not perfect. And then I also have some blemishes here and there. I do have the grill, need to install that part. But some stuff I ain't really bother with. Also, I already spoke about it before, but the emblem from the current one does not fit, or from the original bumper doesn't fit on this one. I would need a smaller one. Found a couple online, but prices were crazy, so not too worried about it. But the real issue that is bothering me the most is right here. Like that's huge. It was actually a clip part here, but I guess with it sagging from driving with that, I don't know why, but that piece broke off. And so, broke off right, it was about that far in. So, that's the issue that's really kind of killing the motivation on taking it out as much. So I do drive it still, but not as often as I would like or would have been. But I will say it does feel a lot better. I changed my ride height. This is basically the ride height. So once I changed it to this, it's a lot more comfortable. So that's a good sign. But coming off the driveway and going on the driveway, I do scrape at this height, but it's nothing major. It's probably just this scraping. That's it. Alright, here go a better look at the ride height. Probably could go down a little in the rear, but it's comfortable. So this is where I tend to stay. But yeah, let's go ahead and do a cold start. Now, I don't want to say the next video is going to be the bumper is arrived and installed and all of that, because I don't. Last time I said that, that's when I found out it was back ordered the way it is. But I will say, well, I don't want to say it because I'm about to be going out of town for a while, so I might record while I'm out of town too. So I don't know if that's going to be the next video. Most likely it won't be. But definitely stay tuned. Also, let me know if you guys are interested in me going to more of the events with other Q50s or Infinities in general, and or Nissans, let me know. I know a lot of my content when it comes to meets doesn't always do the best, but when it is specific to a certain group, that does tend to do pretty well. So let me know if you guys are interested in that as well. Yeah, just ran to the store real quick, but car still feels great. Playing around with the height a little bit. Yeah, if I go just a little bit lower, 10 psi lower, I'm scraping everywhere. Not even just in the dips. I'm going straight and everything. So this seems to be the good spot. About 85-ish psi in the front. Well, actually it's about 85 all around, but it looks a little higher in the rear. I could definitely go down lower in the rear though. But it's funny, when I air out, it gets to about 20, 25-ish psi before it says that it's at the lowest it can go. So that's very interesting. But I guess it's a decent setting. It's weird because sometimes it will air out all the way in the rear. The front, it always stops at about 25 psi in the front. But the rear, sometimes it'll go all the way to 0, sometimes it won't. But either way, it looks pretty good. Actually, let me just go ahead and show you. Alright, here we go. Let's take a look. So that's where we're sitting. See? Now it looks like it is going. It's still, I can hear it's still letting out air in the back a little bit. Alright. Yeah, and now we at 35 in the front. I don't know if you can see it. Hold on. So that's why it's not going all the way down. Alright, so I just pressed it to air up. Now this used to be my ride height. Oh no, sorry. It's going up. This was my safe height, not my ride height. So this is where, if I was coming to a dip or like trying to get on driveways, not this driveway, but coming up somewhere and I want to be safe, this is what I would usually go to. This is the ride height. So, safe height. Ride height. Let's see. Yeah, I used to have a different setting. It was between safe height and ride height. That used to be my old ride height. But actually I'll just go to it. Ain't gonna be as drastic. Getting there slowly. So this was my old ride height. Give or take a couple PSI because it's being a little finicky. But see if you can see the difference between the old ride height and the current ride height. It's not a huge difference there. It's more pronounced in the front than the rear, so that's why I didn't have it show on the rear. But yeah, I don't want to just drag this video out too long. I've been getting hit up by a lot of people asking me about the carbon fiber bumper and when it was going to show up. So this video is really just to announce I at least got an update on the status of it. So within a few weeks we should have that on. It'll be the carbon front bumper as well as the carbon fenders, and I believe I'm getting the turn signal lights as well. I know I ordered them, but I didn't see them marked as shipped, so we will see if that comes in or not. But yeah, like I said, I don't want to drag this video out too much. I am going to be in Maryland here towards the end of July, but there's going to be a lot of family visits, so I don't know if I'm going to have too much time to hang out with people. I'm definitely going to try to hit up a few of the homies, see what they got going on, but definitely won't have my car. Not doing that drive probably anytime soon. Actually, I really do need to do it. It'd be pretty dope to do, but we'll see. We'll get to that at another time. But this visit, going for a family function, so I won't be driving the car. But yeah, before we go ahead and end this video, I do like to thank you all for reaching out to me, checking on me when I haven't been uploading videos, and just making sure I'm good, and even with the questions you're asking on Instagram and everything, I appreciate it. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and end this one. We're gonna go ahead and do the comment of the day, and the comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below, and who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.